Hello and welcome again to Stack Flow Tech. In this video, we are going to create pages for our project, which is library management system. In the previous video, we created tables, which are here on the left pane, and we are going to start creating page by page. We are going to create the first page, which will be a new. We go to page, then we go to books. Let's create one for a book. Then our source table will be the book, and then this will be a card. We explained this earlier. Then we click next so that we can look at the fields. You can see the fields are not organized the way we had organized earlier. So click on the ID, and then on the books you can mark using shift, mark up to the last field that you want to have in your table on your card. And here are the fields. You can click finish, and our table and our list of types on our page of type card is created successfully. So we'll also create a list of this record, which is a list of books. Then source table will be book, then page type will be the list, and so we can click next, and then we can sort by ID. Click ID up to the genre, and then move these fields so that we can create a list of these data. So there's another property here that we are going to add, which is called card page ID. Then we are going to make book as our card page ID. This is a page that will open when you drill down to this one of the records, one of the books that you will have in the records. So again, we will also create another page for the patron. We'll create a card for the patron, a card, then you click next, sort by ID, click the first one, shift, control shift to the last one. Then we'll also create a list of this page, patrons, and then the source table is patron. This one is a list. Click next, sort by ID, click the first field, hold shift, click the last field or the field that you want, then finish. We're also creating another list for authors. We'll go to new page, authors. We just create a list for this case, author. Then we create a list, page type list, click next. Then we can select field one by one, double click so that it can go. This is another method. If you double click, they will go, or if you select and move, they'll move. And then click finish. And now onto our last list that we will create is the one for transaction. Is a page, sorry, is a library transaction, since it's a list. Then I'm going to our library transaction table, make it list, then go to next. We'll select all the fields. All the fields after sorting using the ID, then move. So we are done creating pages, and we've created two types of pages. We've created type card, and we've also created page type list for all the not all, but for all the tables that we have here. So we were using the AL wizard method, which is the easiest method when dealing with the AL objects. In our next video, we will create a special type of a page called the role center, which will help us expose these pages and also reports and many other objects. Before watching up to that end, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video.